salutations, Ravage Rider here. I just wanted to do a quick update on the GTI. After approximately 8,000 kilometers and 8 months, the car has run completely flawless and the engine lights have all stayed off. So all the work done in this video has paid off. But there's still something that has plagued my mind since purchasing the vehicle. And that is, what is the condition of the timing chain and chain tensioner? Now, the GTI came due for another oil change, first oil change me doing with it. And I asked the shop to have a physical look at the chain tensioner to see, is it the old one, is it the new one? I wasn't even sure whatsoever. So good news is the shop only charged me 20 minutes to do this. Bad news, it needs to be replaced. They said my chain tensioner has 6 out of 7 teeth remaining and that the camshaft phase was at minus 3.86 degrees. Now, I believe Volkswagen states to get repaired at 6 degrees, and my shop is a little bit more conservative and says to get repaired at 4 degrees, but either way, I am passed. Now, while this is an expensive repair, it is much cheaper than what could happen if left. If the camshaft falls too far out of phase because of the chain tensioner, there's potential that the pistons could come in contact with the valves, causing severe damage and cost. Now, I've read specifically on sites that state the MK6 era GTI are prone to chain tensioner issues. I believe it's a C-clip. So if you are the owner of one of these cars or intend to purchase one, please have it inspected if you are unsure of the condition. And at the same time, I will also be having the DSG service done. That way I can confidently drive the car all summer long how it was intended to be. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.